Hey guys, so today I have here my latest mini Bluetooth speaker here. This one is here from GD or GD, not sure how it's spelled, how you say it. So it's the B038. The box already here, the packaging already looks pretty interesting. Kind of like a ice cream package here. But let me assure you, there is a Bluetooth speaker in here. So let's have a look here. Open it up, have a look inside. Okay, so there it is. Not very big. Kind of size of a baseball, maybe a little bit bigger. What else is inside here? Lots of foam to protect it while it's traveling here. So here packing list, and also here the starting the user's guide, quick start guide, shows you exactly how this machine works here, how to operate this Bluetooth speaker here. Or we can stop the video, pause the video if you want to read the details here. Okay, so yeah. Comes here with the speaker, audio cable, USB cable, and this user manual. So let's see if we can find all these items in here. Right, so they must be someplace here on the bottom. Yeah, so here in this little pouch here. Let's see, yeah, so here in gray we have this USB to micro USB charging cable. Does not come with the charging cube itself, so you need like a smartphone charger or a laptop or something. Then here it comes with the auxiliary cable too. That's pretty neat. But now let's have a look at the speaker here itself. Here. Pretty round. That's a pretty unique design here. Haven't seen this too often. Here the transducer, pretty open. You can see it through this hole here in the middle. What else do we have? There, the hole for the microphone. You can use this for making phone calls with your smartphone. Yeah, interesting design. Here on the back side, got here the micro USB charging port, auxiliary port, on-off button. To be or not to be. Alright. What else do we got? Some information here on the bottom about the charging. Alright, you charge with USB. And then here on the top we have 4 buttons, so volume up, volume down, pause, play, and then here this EQ button to change between like an indoor and outdoor mode. Okay, so this is already it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, then write something here, write me a message below. Okay, so and as always, check out my other videos here on YouTube.